Kid Friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Whitney from Kid Friendly TV, and today I am super duper excited because we have the My Little Pony Play Doh Pinkie Pie Cupcake Party. I am so excited to play with you guys today, so if you want to make some yummy cupcakes with Pinkie Pie and me, then keep on watching. Let's go, Pinkie Pie! Whee! We have the Play Doh Pinkie Pie Cupcake Party. This looks really cool because we are making some yummy cupcakes with Play Doh. With this Play Doh set, we get 5 cans of Play Doh. We get purple, pink, kind of a greenish blue color, a light blue, and an orange. The play set also comes with 5 cupcake molds, and what's really awesome is on the bottom of the cupcake, we have different My Little Pony characters that we can mold too. So look at this one. That is super cool. It's Twilight Sparkle. Let's see who else we get. Look at this yellow one. It's Fluttershy. We also get Rainbow Dash. Let's see who else we get. We get Applejack. This is so cool. I can't wait to start making some cupcakes. And here is Pinkie Pie. We also get this pink roller to roll out some Play Doh. And look at this Pinkie Pie. That is so cool. So we can cut some Play Doh. We also get Play Doh molds so we can make diamonds, we can make stars, strawberries, and more. If we turn it over, oh my goodness, look who else we can make. We can make Gummy. Gummies are super duper cute. I'm really excited to make this. And last but not least, we get an extruder. So that is really fun. And we can also put this onto our extruder. Just push it on. And look, we can make all sorts of different shapes and sizes. That is going to be so cool. We can use our extruder. Let's take some pink Play Doh and fill in Pinkie Pie. This is going to look really neat. Wow, check out Pinkie Pie now! She looks really cute. First, we're making a Pinkie Pie cupcake with pink Play Doh. So let's smush it down in here. Now, let's get our cupcake out. Oh wow, awesome! And then all we have to do is flip it over and put it back in here. And look, it looks like a real cupcake. Yummy. Let's use the mold on the bottom of the cupcake to make a Pinkie Pie face. So let's squish it down into the mold. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I think it's gonna look really cute. Alright, smush it in. Get some more pink Play Doh to help us get it out. Here we go. Whoa, look at Pinkie Pie. She looks really cute. I'm going to use this light blue color with the Play Doh extruder. And we are going to make some Play Doh icing. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this looks like. So let's squeeze it. Whoa, check this out. There we go. That looks really cool. Now let's make some ribbons to go around our cupcake. So let's use some purple Play Doh. Whoa, look at this! This looks really cute. Let's put it on our cupcake and see what it looks like. So let's grab our cupcake. We can put it around the bottom here. Let's see what that looks like. Oh my goodness, that looks really cute. I love that. Let's make some more and put it on around the cupcake. Let's make some pink hearts to go on our cupcake. Wow, that is a really cute heart. I think it's gonna look really pretty on our cupcake. So let's get our cupcake. Let's put it right here and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, that looks really pretty. Whoa! Check out this super yummy Pinkie Pie cupcake we just made. It looks really cute. Let's make a Fluttershy cupcake using purple Play Doh. Alright, let's get our cupcake out. Awesome, this looks like a really good cupcake. Here we go, perfect. Now let's decorate this cupcake. Let's use the Play Doh mold on the bottom of the cupcake to make a Fluttershy with this orange, yellow Play Doh. These cupcakes are so much fun. Can you leave me a comment down below who your favorite My Little Pony character is? I'd love to hear who you love to watch on My Little Pony. I really love Pinkie Pie. I think she's really pretty. She's really funny. Okay, so let's get this out. Wow! Look at her! She looks really beautiful. Oh my goodness, check out this Fluttershy cupcake. It looks really cute too. I love this one. Awesome! Check out the 2 cupcakes we made today with this My Little Pony set. We have a Pinkie Pie cupcake and a Fluttershy cupcake. And oh my gosh, look what it is. It's a gummy. I love gummies. They are super cute. I wish I could have a gummy as a pet. Would you like a gummy as a pet? That would be pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe to Kid Friendly TV by clicking on subscribe down below so you don't miss out on our daily fun toy videos. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!
1. Let's see it. 1. This is it. 2, 3.